Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and use a VPN on your Apple TV. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First, go to the home screen of your Apple TV, where you see all your apps. Navigate to the App Store and click on it. Once you're in the App Store, go to the search icon in the top navigation bar. Now, search for a VPN of your choice. In our example, we're going to use IPVanish VPN. Type in IPVanish. It should be the top result, and the icon should look like this. Describe the icon briefly. Click on it. You can scroll down to view more information about the VPN if you like. When you're ready to download, go back to the top and click the Get button. This will download IPVanish to your Apple TV in just a few seconds. If you see a cloud icon instead of Get, it means you've downloaded it before, so just click the cloud to re-download. Once the app is downloaded, click Open. The first time you open IPVanish, you'll see a privacy screen. Read the information and then click Get Started. Next, you'll be taken to the login screen. Go ahead and log in to your IPVanish account. If you don't have an account yet, click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on IPVanish. After logging in, you'll be asked to create a configuration profile for the VPN. Click Allow. Now you can start using IPVanish. For this example, I'm going to connect to a United States server because I want to watch the US version of Netflix. You can either scroll through the list to find a server or use the search icon in the top navigation bar. Once you find the server you want, click on it. After a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected. Now you can use your Apple TV just like normal, but with the VPN protection. Let's open Netflix as an example. After signing in and selecting a profile, you can start watching the United States version of Netflix on your Apple TV. And just to prove we're on the US version, you can see it says Top 10 TV Programs in the US Today. Select a show and start watching. And that's it. Remember to use the link in the description or the pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.